Hey everyone, thanks for your interest in one of these amazing overhead panels for your Jeep Gladiator or Jeep Wrangler. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to get this installed for the 2024 and up Jeep Gladiator, Jeep Wrangler. I'm going to start by removing your front T-tops, which I've already done, and I didn't film because I have a rack on the front of mine, but that should be easy for you. Just undo your latches and get those out of the way. Then there's two bolts on both fronts of the hardtop. Remove those. On some of the Gladiators, I don't know if all of them have this, but there's a plug right here for the window heat. You just pop this cover off so you can access this bolt right here. There's one on each side, and then there's four in these center sections. If you don't see them, it probably means that you have factory headliners on, and there's actually a black cloth cover that goes on here. That's what this Velcro is from. And then the goal is to just tip the hardtop back enough to slide the panel up in between. And as much effort as that is to do, it is the only way. I did try to kind of squeeze this in between here and kind of finagle it. It doesn't work, so you have to do this. Okay, your application, like I said, should be a little bit easier. Mine's hard because my Starlink's on top of the T-tops, and I can't really undo that and the rack and all the things. So basically what I'm going to do is kind of lean up against my seats. I'm going to pull this up and over my head, and then you're going to lift up right here just enough to slide it back and over. So I'm going as far as I can as my camper will let me, and then I'm going to slide it in. So let's see how that goes. After some finagling, I think we're at a point where I can start to slide this back. Essentially, I'm just gonna lift up the top, start sliding underneath. All right, got the panel in after a long battle. Again, this will be much simpler for you if you don't have a camper put on. We just had to fight. There's not much room for us to slide this out of the way. So for you, just tip it back, slide this over the top, and you should be good to go. Again, another thing on our application, I'm not able to lift the top up to get these bolts to drop down. So I'm actually gonna put the bolt up through the bottom and then put the nut on top, and that is a special little lock nut that has grooves on it, so you don't need to worry about it coming loose. But it's gonna be these holes right here. You're gonna just line up the top of the panel with it and put the bolt down through it. These are 9/16 bolts, and you just need to snug them up hand tight. And that concludes the install of our brand new Backseatdelete overhead Molle panel. So this thing is super awesome, super sturdy. Gonna be great to hang up some clothes, jackets, some med kits, whatever you need to up here. This is gonna be great for it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, let us know.